I don't know. We have been looking for 10 minutes. Maybe the milk is hiding.
First day at the supermarket.
Wow, this supermarket is so big. Wow, look at all the colorful boxes, Daddy.
Do you like this one, buddy?
Yes, I want that one.
Wow, this supermarket is huge.
Look at all the food. Yes, this is our new supermarket.
I like it already. Where should we start?
We need a few things for breakfast.
What do we need?
We need bread, milk, eggs, apples, and cereal.
That's a lot.
It is not too much.
Wow! Wow!
Here is the bread, Mom.
Perfect, thank you.
Can I push the cart?
Yes, but be careful.
I am the shopping cart driver.
Don't drive too fast.
Look, apples. I found the apples. Good job.
How many apples do we need?
We need 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Look at these big red apples.
Let's take 6 of them.
Here is 1, and here is 2.
Now we have 6.
Wow, what are these, Mom? They look so bright.
Those are delicious oranges.
And those? Those are bananas. I like bananas.
Do you want some?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's get some bananas.
Now we need milk.
I can find it.
Oh no! Where is the milk?
I don't know. We have been looking for 10 minutes. Maybe the milk is hiding. Jack, this is our first day in this supermarket. Then we need to find it.
Don't worry, kids. Let's ask someone for help.
Okay.
But who should we ask?
Look, there is a supermarket worker. Excuse me.
Yes. Can I help you?
Where is the milk, please?
The milk is in aisle 5.
We need 2 bottles.
1.
2.
What is next? Mom, let us buy cereal now. Can we get this cereal?
You got eggs, Mom. Let's put the eggs in the cart carefully.
Excuse me, what do you recommend?
These croissants are fresh out of the oven. Here you go, have a wonderful day.
Wow, this smells delicious. Wow, it smells so good. Can we get those croissants, please?
Of course we can.
We found everything. Almost everything.
Almost?
Oh. Good morning. Good morning. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
That's great.
I like that sound. Beep, beep.
Your total is $28. Thank you. You're welcome.
Welcome.
Have a nice day. You too.
Yes!
Are you ready to go home?
I'm hungry. Can we eat now?
Yes. Thanks, Mom.
Today, Emma and Jack learned something very useful. They learned how to shop, how to ask for help, and how to use simple English in a supermarket. Remember these phrases. Excuse me. Where is the milk, please? Thank you. You're welcome. You don't need difficult words to speak English. Start with simple words, speak slowly, practice every day, and don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Tell us in the comments.
Like, subscribe, and learn with us.